Hey there, music lovers. Today, we're excited to bring you a special feature on a talented artist who has truly transformed his life through the power of music. Trey Black, also known as Purp93, is a rising star in the music industry, and we're thrilled to share his story with you. Trey Black's music is a testament to his incredible journey. From being shot, stabbed, nearly burned to death as an infant, and even spending time in jail, Trey has come a long way. His transformation from a young thug to a music artist is nothing short of inspiring. Check out some of Trey Black's viral hits, like Simple Things, Frenemies, and Man on a Mission. These tracks showcase his incredible talent and the power of his music. We hope you enjoy this music showcase featuring Trey Black, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this amazing artist. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting music features like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and keep it poppin'.
Look, I tell my mom I'm sorry, yeah, my mom full of evil. I seen that devilish pride that be lurking in people. They hate be real, yeah, they treat these people like they beneath them. Yeah, they snap off the pain, but these people didn't believe it. That's why these days you gotta get low and just stick to the comments. No such thing as the loyalty, ain't no death in dishonor. Yeah, you was friends with these niggas, yeah, when you struggle, they honest. Yeah, they say they gon' ride for you, but you know they dishonest. That's from a life full of trauma. Yeah, I put that on my mama. That's why I disappear on niggas that stay up with the drama. That's why I think my grandma, she made me a man, put me on 10. That's why I'ma do it for Edna until the day that I end. See, I used to live in the gutter, I thank the Lord that I made it. Yeah, I had kids with a thought, but I had to eat it and face it. All these decisions, I make my bed and I sleep in it. That's that life in the jungle, I flex my chest and I'm beating it. Yeah, it ain't no defeating it when it comes to this right. I ain't going down, fuck the swing, and I'm standing up in the fight. Yeah, I hit that bitch like I'm Tyson, coming like Zeus with the lightning. My niggas told me to chill, but these demons be biting. Yeah, I had to enlighten them, treating me like a slouch. Yeah, see, they know that I'm humble, I put my gun in the couch. Yeah, bitch, I'm never gon' like I got dreams of making it out. And I put that shit on my kids, one day I'ma give them my house.